Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Studio Rays here. Guys, I got another toy here. I ended up picking up this ECHOGEAR wall mount. All right, just picked up another TV for the house, for the den area that I've been working on. It's an LG 55-inch, and I needed a wall bracket. Now I had another wall bracket that I thought I was able to use on this TV, but it wasn't gonna work, so I had to buy a new one, and I picked this up from my favorite store, of course, Amazon. This is a model number EGLF2-BK. I'll put a link below in the description on this exact model. What I like about this one, that it comes off the wall, so if you ever have to get in back of the TV for your cables to get to the HDMI inputs, you need a good sturdy mount to pull that TV off. Don't go cheap on that mount, all right? Go inexpensive. There's a difference. Don't go cheap. Cheap means bad quality, not designed correctly, etc. Inexpensive, go with inexpensive. You want a nice quality mount, but at an inexpensive price. So stay with me. Thanks for joining me. I'm gonna show you how to put this up and give my opinion on the design. To my understanding, it's very heavy, very sturdy. It can hold up to about 125 pounds is rated, which is ideal. All right, so guys, again, Studio Rays, Boys and the Toys. Let's get in the video. All right, guys, let's do a quick open boxing here. Let's see how this thing looks. Again, I'll put a link below on to this item. And again, guys, if you don't mind, if you plan on picking this up, consider using that link. I am an Amazon affiliate, and I do make a couple of cents on each dollar. That just goes to help support this channel, so I really appreciate it. All right, let's get this on. Let's get this open. And again, I would suggest, guys, if you're buying this type of item, if you can get it at a discount or use from the Amazon warehouse, take a good look at those. All right, usually you can get one, it says it's for very good condition or near new condition at a few dollars cheaper. All right, you don't need to buy new on certain items. In this case, that's what I did, and as you can see, everything's in the box, pretty much wrapped up. So I don't know why this was sent back. Maybe they didn't like it or was too heavy for them. But again, I took advantage of the Amazon warehouse clearance section and got this unit. And this is how it looks, guys. And I'm gonna tell you right now, this thing is heavy. Very heavy, which you're gonna want, all right? Yes, this is very heavy. So this is how it looks. Gives you all the cables. Look like a tie downs for your wiring, for cable management. The brackets that go behind the TV. And various screw size to go for your TV, and the lag screws for to go into your 2x4, which are very important. All right. Again, if you guys are installing this on your wall, make sure you're going through your 2x4s. Don't be trying to go through drywall and think your TV is going to stay up there, because majority of the time it's not. You're going to have to go through your studs for this type of things to hold up on your wall, or you're going through concrete, which is ideal. So in my case, I'm going to be going through my studs. I'm going to be using my stud finder. My measurements at least 12 inches on center. So this is how I would be mounting this unit on my wall. So stay with me, guys. Studio Rays, Boys and the Toys. This is a quick look at this ECHOGEAR wall mount. Alright guys, I'm just going to show you. This right here is your template, what you're going to use to line up your mount on your wall. So you're going to use this. It coincides with the slots here. Alright, so I'm going to use this to line up my studs and everything so I can get my screws in. They said the step one, you should put this in the back of your TV, get this installed. Step two, utilize a template, find your studs and screwing those in. And step three, mounting your TV. So I'm gonna get this started on my television. I'm gonna put down the measurements and see if I can install this by myself. Due to the weight of this, and again, I don't want to frighten you guys, but it has some weight to it. So I may be able to do it, may not. I don't know. I'll see. But let's get into it. And thank you for joining me in Studio Rays, Boys and their Toys, and let's mount our new toy. Okay? Alright guys, first thing you want to do, you're going to have to find your studs. Alright, if you're mounting this on concrete, disregard, you don't have to do this. Alright, you're just going to line up your template, screw it in, use a drill bit to get into your concrete and mount your. But in my case, I have drywall plus studs. So you're going to need some type of stud finder. Alright, if you don't know where your studs are. Alright, I have two, I have a scanner and I had this StudBuddy. Now I did a video on showing how to find your studs. Sometimes depending on the unit, it may not work or you're having trouble. So there's certain techniques you can use. So check out that video, I'll put a link on it so to help you guys find your studs. So all I'm gonna do now is use my stud finder, find where my studs are. I believe I got one here, and someplace over here. In my case also, I have a pipe that's around this area going up. All right, so I gotta make sure I don't hit that pipe or I'm gonna have a bad day. So know what's behind your wall, guys, all right, as far as electrical and pipes, because you don't wanna have a bad day, all right? So in my case, I know I have a pipe in this area here, and as far as my electrical, it's off to the wall coming down around this area. So again, know what's behind your wall before you start drilling. If you're not sure, post another link of an endoscope that you can buy to help you drill a little hole, and you get a little camera behind that wall to see what's behind it before you start drilling. All right, again, I'm all about doing your homework, preparing before you start any project. Understand that. So again, I'll put a little link below of the endoscope, an excellent tool if you need to look behind the walls. All right, consider picking one up. Very inexpensive. It works off your Wi-Fi and on your phone. So check out that. Again, all these things I'm mentioning, I'll put a link. I am an Amazon affiliate, so I do make a couple of cents if you're into buying something. It does support the channel, and I do appreciate it, guys. All right, so let's get into this. Let's find my studs. I'm gonna set up a little time lapse of me mounting this. Any issues, I'll come back, let you know, and that's pretty much it, guys. Again, Studio Rays, Boys and the Toys. Let's get into it. yourself. All right, it is heavy, so it's recommended for 2 people, but as you can see, I demonstrated, you can get it up yourself. In my saving grace, and if it's like your situation, if you got some type of ledge or mantle or something, all you have to do is just start 1 bolt, come down, let it lean, get this started, don't tighten it, come up with this one, put the other bolt in and level it out and get it up, and come back and do the last 2. And that's it. Got the handles, as you can see how far it comes out. You know, I wouldn't be taking this far out from the wall, but overall, up and down, push it back in. So that's it, guys. Looks good, guys. I'll put a link on this particular item, all right, down in the description. Consider using that link if you end up picking this up. It does support the channel, so I really appreciate it, all right? Thanks for joining me. Like, subscribe, and I'll check you out on the next one.